But I think what kills great design is sort of like large numbers of people designing things by committee, and you have to fight against the grain to make it feel like a consistent, coherent vision, ideally from one person.
So I'm just going to jump in and riff on that a little bit. First of all, by the way, Jason said you are a genius, and I didn't know that you went to Stanford. I didn't know that you started in physics. Folks, anyone who starts in physics and says, this is too easy, I'm going to do math instead, oh my God. So I was at Cambridge, and I was surrounded by very smart people, of course, but I did computer science, and the physicists and the mathematicians, holy moly, they were the smart ones.
Then he decided, Rahul, to do the ultimate boss, which is try to build a consumer product, which makes physics and computer science and everything else seem easy, because now you're into just strict art and science and alchemy.
Well, you know what? It turns out it's that left brain, right brain thing, which Vlad, I sense in you as well. I find that relatively easy, but and maybe if you have a physicist mind or a mathematician mind, it feels that way. But Vlad, my question was going to be, I mean, you had such a success. You've scaled your organization much further than Superhuman is right now, and we hope to be where you are at some point. How have you scaled the teaching of design? So I think we've heard things like don't design by committee, but the actual nuances of the craft and what makes Robin Hood, how have you taught those pieces to people? It's something that honestly I still struggle with sometimes, and I solve it by jumping in there myself. I hired a president last year. I've gone from 8 direct reports, the normal VP structure, down to 2. So I'm in there pushing pixels and writing copy with everybody. How have you done it?
This is such a good question. Yeah, professional development.
Yeah, I mean, I think it starts with great people that you trust being in leadership positions where they have influence. We've gone through this as we've grown the company and the design team, where, the first go around, we hired some professional managers that, were kind of further from the work. I think the balance we've reached is the people that are the best at the work, whose taste we trust the most, are in leadership positions. And then, they're kind of pushing things forward. And you kind of I supplement that with being in meetings with them, being in jam sessions with them. And meetings are not just forums where we review the work, but we actually do design in meetings and actually change things. With remote, it's been difficult. I think I always prefer to have people in one place where we can draw stuff and we can kind of go back and forth. And we've done some like multi-hour, half-day jams in the past. It's not a clean process. It's messy. I think sometimes we end up taking too long to do stuff, and we redo everything and start from scratch, and everyone gets frustrated. So I'd always love for it to be cleaner. No, I think Rick Rubin's book, I don't know if you guys have read Rick Rubin's book. It's very good. I mean, we're in the technology product business, so I don't think we're quite there in Rick Rubin land, where, I mean, his thesis is like, it's good if you like it, and the artist is kind of a singular individual. I think we have to juxtapose that with, it actually has to drive business results. There's metrics. It has to perform.
All right, founders. Okay, digital nomads and my remote entrepreneurs, I need you to listen to me right now. I know you want to build that next great company. Well, you're going to need 2 things, right? You're going to need a great idea, and you're going to need to properly set up your business. And that's where Northwest Registered Agent comes in. For just $39 plus state fees, here's what you're going to get. Privacy by default. Keep your personal info off public records with a business address, phone number, and mail forwarding. And unlike other guys, they're never going to sell your data. And you're going to need to look super legit. That's important to customers, employees that you might hire, team members you're looking to hire, and of course, investors. So you want to have a professional online presence, and you can get your domain, website, and 10 business emails right at the start, so you're building the right way. And if you ever have questions, you won't be stuck talking to some chatbot. Nope. Northwest Registered Agent has expert corporate guides, not bots, so you're not going to get run around. Just real people who know every single state's rules and will walk you through the process. In 10 clicks and 10 minutes, boom, your business is live. So join thousands of founders who trust Northwest. For just $39 plus state fees, you can launch your business fast, hassle-free, and with total privacy. So go to northwestregisteredagent.com/twist to start your business today.